Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art, and you would not believe what I just did. I did a whole other painting, did a whole video, and then went to look at it and my camera wasn't on. So that was kind of silly. But I hope this one turns out. I haven't been around for a while. Had some problems with things around in my life. My mom was in the hospital for a while, so I had to take care of her and different things like that. I have a very bad back, so sometimes it's impossible for me to stand long enough to even do a painting. And if you ever see me grab a chair and sit down during a video, you'll know why. So I try not to have to do that. But everybody has their perils, I guess. Oh, putting some black down, and I really don't know what I'm going to do. Like the other one, I had no clue what I was going to do. It's just going to be a fun thing for me to play with and for you to watch. I hope you'll enjoy it, or enjoy hearing me blab about nothing or anything or everything. And can always ask questions down in the comments. There's always a place, and I'll always answer you. It might not be right away. Just make sure that I can see them and get to them. And I'll do my best to answer them. I think that'd be great. All right. Okay, so I have some colors that are, this is a flip cup that had some different colors in it, just leftover paint. I made up some primary blue. I'm gonna, oh, I guess I should do this over here, which is empty. This is Basics Candium Red Hue. I'll put in there. This is a bronze that I had left over. Like I said, all this is just bits and pieces. And this is Artist Loft Silver that I'll put in here. And I'm going to grab my silicone, because there is no silicone in there. I'll just put a couple, pretty full cup. I think I'll put 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I just want to give it a couple little stirs just to get the silicone all mixed in good. And I think I'll just do a flip cup if I can get it over without spilling it all. Are you ready? Okay, go. Look at that. It worked. I didn't get very much out at all. Let that sit for a second, and we'll see what we have. What's everybody been doing over the summer? It's August. My grandkids are going back to school next week. It's ridiculous how fast it's went. You know, and you just look back at it and think, gosh, we haven't done anything this summer. Where has the time gone? We do like to camp. We've been camping a lot in our little trailer, but we haven't taken a big vacation, like a week or 2 or anything like that. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. Oops. Not too bad, really. Get it all over here. Make sure I use it all. Don't like to waste paint. Not at all. Oh, that's really pretty. I love all these right here. I don't care for that color right there, so let's see what we can do. We'll tilt it a little bit. See what goes. See what we get. Just bring it back to the starting point. Let's try to go down here. Not too bad. Take it over the edges. Oh, I don't want to lose all that. That's so pretty. Okay, let's see what we have. I really like it. That is something different, isn't it? Gosh, that's really pretty. For just a mixed cup of nothing, I think that it turned out really good. I didn't think this would be a very long video, but I hoped it would be longer than this, but I don't think there's anything that I want to do to it. It's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. It's just that little bit of blue right here. There's some blue right here. And it goes on up through here, and I love this little wisp right there. These cells have really gotten long since I tilted over that way. There's a bunch of little ones right through here. Let me wipe my hands off and we'll give it a torch and see if anything else comes up. Messy, gosh. Oh. My husband has a sporting event Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so he's taking my table away. I told him, I said, I'm not responsible for where the paint's going to go if you take my table. I'm going to have to sit up on the dining room table and hope for the best. Because I'm not going to go 3 days without painting. I think the silver showed up very well in here. And I think that's kind of blah right there. I'm afraid to mess with it, that I'll mess it up completely. Let's see what we can put some silver through there and make it look like it's supposed to be there, huh? Good try. Pulled up some of the black, which I really didn't want to do, but I wonder if I got too much paint. Wow, that's still a lot of paint on there. Let's see if I can take some more of it off without losing everything that I really like. I'm gonna go this way a little bit. This down here I don't really care for. This whole part over here is kind of blah, so let's get it moved. Get some more of this paint off. Oh, that's even better. That looks even better than it did before. I'm glad I did that. I hope you all like it. If you have any questions, you can always ask and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. Make sure all my sides are covered up here. Yep, they look really good. I will put all my paints that I used and how I did them in the descriptions below. I don't know if that's something in the paint or whether that's just, I think it's something in the paint. Yep, I can get my skewer. The bamboo skewers are really good for getting, I call them boogers, out of the paint. I can't get it. There we go. Trying to fix it where I messed it all up, trying to get it. There, that'll fill back in, I'm sure. There we go. So, like I said, I'll put all the paint and description down below. Please subscribe so I can get enough subscribers that I can have my own channel. And give me a thumbs up. hit the little bell and it will notify you when I put a new video up. And I am going to be better about doing my videos. I'm going to try and get at least 2 or 3 a week. Unless more emergencies in our family come up, you never know what's going to happen. But hopefully the bad stuff is over for right now. Wipe my hands off so I can get paint all over everything that I touch, which is nothing unusual for me. I thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.